This carpet tape comes in 2 inches wide by 12 yards, has a hot melt technology for extra sticking power. If you have a rug that just is folding up in the corner like I do, or anything, this should work well. Gonna go test it out and see how well it works. We moved multiple times and this rug just keeps lifting right here, which is super annoying. So this carpet tape, I'm hoping, is a perfect solution. Gonna go ahead and install it right here and see if it'll just keep this corner down and I stop tripping over it. So you can see this stuff has a hot, it's like super sticky. So it should stick to this carpet and, you know, with dirt and stuff. Obviously clean the floor underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and lay about a 6-inch strip right here. Get my X-Acto knife and make a nice cut right here. I'm gonna repeat that. This stuff's super sticky. Put another piece right here. On each side. Lift the corner, pull across, and use this to make sure it's nice and down. Make sure the carpet's just where you want it. And then where it is right here, make sure you just press it down. You can see that corner, it got frayed from dogs, of course, but now it is not lifting up at all. It's staying nice and flat. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.